Next, we're going to work on some red words. First, we're just going to go through and say our red words that we've learned, and then we're going to be writing red words today. So you'll need something to write with and something to write on. I'm going to be writing on my dry erase board today, and I'm going to be using a red marker because these are red words. But you can use whatever you have at home. So let's start just by going through our red words. See if you can say the word before I say it. Here we go. 2. We. My. A. Me. Said. Can. Like. And. I. See. Nice job. Now we're just going to practice writing a few of those red words. Let's start today with the red word my. How do we spell the word my? Yeah, M-Y. Let's write it. M-Y. My. Next, let's try writing the word said. Ooh, that one has 4 letters. Go ahead and show yourself. Write the word said. Okay, let's check. S-A-I-D, said. Next, let's write the word we. What 2 letters do we use? Good. W-E, we. Next, let's try writing the word can. Do you remember how we spell it? Go ahead and show yourself how to write it. Can. That red word is spelled C-A-N. Can. I'm going to come up to this side and then start writing down this way. Let's just do a few more. Ooh, let's do our new one. How do we write the word and? How do we write the word and? Go ahead and show yourself. Okay, let's check it. A-N-D. And. Let's try 2 more. Next, let's write the word see. Go ahead and show yourself how to write it. S-E-E-C. And the last red word we're going to write today is the word me. Go ahead and write it. You need 2 letters. M-E, me. Last thing we're going to do today is write a sentence using our red words. So I'm going to go ahead and erase. If you're using a piece of paper, you can just flip to the next side of the paper if you don't have enough space to write your sentence. And today our sentence is going to say, I see Mom and Dad. And our sentence is the word we. Is that a red word? It is. So how many lines do we draw? 2. Then we'll be writing our words going this way. We'll swoop and go this way. The next word in our sentence is the word see. Is that a red word? Yes, it is. So how many lines does it get? 2. Make sure to put a finger space because we're ready for a new word. We see mom. Is that a red word? Nope. So how many lines? Just one. Make sure you put your finger space between those words. We see mom. What's the next word? And that is our brand new red word for this week. So it gets 2 lines. We see mom and dad. Make sure you put your finger space because we're writing a new word. Next, we're going to say the words that we're going to write on each line. So say it with me. 1, 2, 3. We see mom and dad. If you have your blending strip at home with you, make sure that you have it out because some of these words are green words that we can pound and tap. Remember, if you don't have your blending strip at home with you, you can always make your own blending strip using the same colors and the same numbers that I used. Let's start writing. The first word is we. How do we spell that red word? Show yourself how to write it. W-E, we. Do you notice something special about the W that I wrote? It's an uppercase, a capital W, because it's the first letter of the first word in our sentence. We see. Go ahead and spell it. Show yourself how to write it. S-E-E-C. We see mom. This is a green word, so get ready to pound and tap it using your blending strip. Remember, you pound and tap with the hand that does not hold your marker or crayon. Here we go. Mom. Ah. Mom. Pound and write it. Mom. Ah. Mom. Yep, another M. We see mom and. That's our new red word this week. Show yourself how to write it. A-N-D and. We see mom and dad. That's another green word, so make sure you've got your blending strip ready. Here we go. Pound and tap it. Dad. D-A-D. Dad. Pound and write it. Dad. D. Go ahead and write the letters. D-A. D-A. And the last sound. Dad. Dad. Yep, another D. And our sentence is over, so what do we need to put at the end of that sentence? Punctuation. We can just do a period for this sentence because we're not asking someone, we're just telling someone that we see mom and dad. Last step, let's read our sentence together. 1, 2, 3. We see mom and dad. Nice work. Kiss your brain, writers.